Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. We got some new parts I'm going to share, and we're going to check them out here in a minute. The relocation brackets we did not receive. In fact, I canceled that order because I'm having an issue getting it. I found them locally here at Lane Automotive, so we are going to go and pick those up on Thursday after a surprise video that's coming on Thursday. I'll share that with you right now. We're going to Strictly Performance. We are going to hit the rollers on the Dynojet, so we're going to see what this car is going to make on a Dynojet compared to a Mustang dyno. So here we'll see the real difference. There's going to be nothing done to the car. It's going to be tested on the E85 just as it was on the Mustang dyno. So that'll be interesting, and then from there, in a separate video, we're going to head over to Lane Automotive where I'll let you guys check that place out. It's really cool. Got a cool showroom, a couple of relocation brackets, and hopefully we can get those on, get the car tested with the Draggy, but we'll see how things roll out. Super busy this weekend trying to put together a open house for my daughter's graduation. So anyways, we'll take a look at these parts. So I got a package in from MMR. We also have a Ford Illuminator water pump to show you. This is limited supply. This is high volume. This is all on the Illuminator engines. This is also a forged crank gear from Ford. It's 5 times stronger than stock. And then we have both cams here. We have the intake and exhaust cam, the Boss cams. That's gonna bump us up a little bit in horsepower and torque. But again, we're gonna show you the parts, what's going with this when this install goes on. And then again, we talked about probably doing this end of season or early next season. All right. We got the goods. These pieces all are going to go on when the cams go on. So what do we have for the Boss 302? This is the crank gear. This is a forged crank gear that's 5 times stronger. You guys want part numbers? I can provide those. The water pump, high volume water pump. This is on all Illuminator engines that Ford sells. These are going to go on, obviously, when we open the motor up. Now, these are phaser plates for the 2011 to 2014 Gen 1 Coyote. These will lighten the rotating assembly by 400 grams, okay? So that's almost a pound. There's 454 grams to a pound. These are gonna lighten that rotating mass. So excited about that. These are the billet steel oil pump gears, MMRs. Now, these are purchased at an excellent price. If you guys are interested in those, now is the time to buy. Along with an MMR Lighten water pump pulley. Now this came from Ford Racing, and what we're going to do right now, we're going to show you guys quickly what's the weight difference. So we have the Ford piece weighing in at 1 pound 10 ounces. That's almost 1.75 pounds. So the MMR piece is coming in at 12 ounces. That's 14 ounces lighter, almost 1 pound lighter than the stock piece. According to MMR, between this and the phaser plates, they said it may be good for 5 to 10 horsepower. So we'll see. We'll find out. We're going to get this all dyno tuned. Lastly, look what we got here. This little piece. This is much smaller than I anticipated. This is the Draggy GPS. It's about 3 inches long, maybe a ½ an inch thick. Not quite an inch wide, maybe 3/4 of an inch. It does have magnets in it. I have not done anything with that yet. It needs to be charged. I need to download the app and get familiar with it and start doing some tests. Okay guys, that's what we have for now. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll get things rolling for you, and get that draggy going, get the relocation brackets going. Hopefully that helps us hook up. More to come. Thanks for watching.